Most cruisers think cabin service is just luck, but it's not. Cabin stewards notice everything you do from the moment you walk in, and trust me, they have favorites. Today, I'm revealing 9 things cabin stewards secretly love that can instantly get you better service, more attention, and a cleaner, more comfortable cabin. Do even a few of these and you'll be treated like a VIP without spending a dollar more. Let's get into it. Number 1. Use your door sign correctly. Most passengers don't realize it, but your cabin door sign is basically your steward's GPS system. It tells them exactly which rooms they can clean, which ones they should skip, and how to plan their entire shift. When you flip the sign to "Please make up room before breakfast" and only use "Do not disturb" when you're actually inside, you make their day flow so much easier. They love guests who follow the system because it keeps everything running smoothly. And yes, stewards absolutely notice passengers who leave "Do not disturb" on their door for hours even when they're gone. Those guests get mentally labeled as the difficult ones. But when you follow the door sign rhythm, you become the guest who respects their time, and that matters more than you think. Number 2, keep the floor clear. This is one of the biggest secret ranking systems stewards use. A clear floor tells them this guest gets it. It means they can vacuum properly, move faster, and give you a deeper clean. When the floor is covered with clothes, shoes, chargers, beach bags, shopping bags, towels, they have to tiptoe around everything, pick things up, move items, or work around piles. That slows down their schedule and stresses them out. But a clear floor? That signals a VIP guest. Those are the cabins that get the full treatment, extra vacuuming, perfect towel animals, spotless shelves, and even little touches other guests never see. A clean floor is the difference between basic cleaning and elevated service. Number 3, use the towel language correctly. Yes, it exists. Stewards use towel placement as a communication system. A towel on the bathroom floor means replace it. A towel on the hook means you're reusing it. When you follow that system perfectly, your steward immediately sees you as someone who knows cruise etiquette, and they appreciate you. Because here's what happens when guests ignore the system. Stewards have to guess. They waste time sniffing towels, looking for damp spots, or trying to figure out what goes where. When you use the towel placement signals clearly, you eliminate all that. You speak their language, and they absolutely love it. Number 4, consolidate your trash. This one is surprisingly powerful. Stewards waste a lot of time doing trash patrol, checking the bathroom, checking the nightstand, checking the desk, checking the balcony table, checking under the bed, and checking every random place guests leave wrappers and cups. But when you put all your trash in one bin or tie it all in one bag, they immediately notice. It turns a 5-minute treasure hunt into a 30-second task. And that extra time, they reinvest it into your room. Cleaner counters, sharper bed corners, more detail work. A tidy guest gets next-level service. Number 5, handle room service trays the right way. Every cruise line has different rules, but the one thing stewards love is guests who don't block the hallway. Don't leave trays in the middle of the walkway. Don't leave plates where people can trip. Either keep the tray inside your room and call for pickup, or place it neatly against your door wall, not out in the way. When you respect hallway safety, stewards and even supervisors absolutely notice you. You instantly become the considerate guest, and those guests always get better attention. Number 6, give a small personal tip early in the cruise. Cabin stewards don't expect it, but when you hand them even $10 or $20 on day 1 and say, "Thank you in advance for taking care of us," their entire attitude shifts. You're no longer cabin 10427. You're the guest who saw their effort before they even started. And that emotional connection is huge. They will look out for you. They will check on you. They will make sure your room is perfect. not because you paid them, but because you respected them. Kindness goes far on a cruise ship, way farther than people realize. Number 7, use their name and be genuinely friendly. This one costs nothing, but it is the most powerful habit on the list. When you say, "Good morning, Maria," or "Thank you, Daniel," everything changes. Crew members are far from home, working long hours and often dealing with rude passengers. Hearing their own name from a kind guest creates an instant bond. They feel seen, they feel valued, and when a guest treats them with warmth and respect, they give that energy back 10 times stronger. A simple smile, a thank you, or a quick friendly greeting is one of the biggest cabin service boosters you can give. Number 8, leave notes instead of calling guest services. Stewards love it when passengers communicate clearly. If you need extra towels, ice, more hangers, or turn-down service at a certain time, a quick handwritten note is their favorite method. It lets them prepare, plan, and deliver exactly what you want without interruptions or mixed messages. And appreciation notes, those are gold. A quick, "Thank you for keeping our room so clean. You're making our cruise great," means more than you can imagine. Those notes get saved. They get photographed, they get shown to supervisors, they create real emotional connection. And number 9, use your cabin safe and keep valuables put away. This last one isn't just about you, it's about protecting them. When stewards see phones, wallets, jewelry, cash, and electronics scattered everywhere, they get nervous. Not because they would ever touch your belongings, but because one false accusation can ruin their career. When you store valuables in the safe and keep surfaces clear, you send a message, "We trust you, and we want you to feel comfortable in our room." That level of respect means everything to them, and when a steward feels trusted, they give you their absolute best. So here's the truth that most passengers never understand. Cabin stewards want to give you incredible service. They want your room to shine. They want you to have an unforgettable cruise. But when you make their job even a little smoother, when you show basic consideration, when you treat them like human beings instead of employees, they go above and beyond for you every single time. So on your next cruise, try these 9 simple habits. Use the door sign. Keep the floor clear. Follow the towel system. Consolidate trash. Handle trays properly. Tip early. Be friendly. Leave notes and protect your valuables. Do these and you will be amazed at how much better your cruise feels. Smooth sailing, friends. Your next cabin experience is about to become the best one yet.